So good evening everyone. It's another time for tutorial on graphic design. This channel we always make sure that you have updates on how to become the best freelance and a work from home client. What we want to be checking this evening is how you can improvise your graphic design as a graphic designer. So now, the common graphic design software that every one of us we know is CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and many others like that. But I want to show you a platform whereby you can make use of this platform to create design exactly like how you always create your design on Photoshop, and it's going to come out good. You can do mock-up, you can do logo, you can do everything you can do on your CorelDRAW and on your Photoshop on this platform. What is the name of this platform? It is called Photopea. Photopea. This is a platform whereby you can design, you can import your files that you have designed before. I mean, your PSD file, your Adobe Illustrator file, your XD file, your Figma file, your Sketch file, your PDF file, your RAW file, and any other JPEG or PNG file. So now, as I'm going to be dropping the link for this platform on the description of this video. So now, as you can see, you see a new project open from your computer. Maybe you have a template before, and then you want to bring it up here, or you want to make use of templates that are already created on this platform. So now, without further ado, let's just dive into what we want to do this evening. So now, what we have here, as you can see, we have new project, we have uh open from computer, and then we have template. So if I click on open new project now, as you can see new project here. You can name your project, and then goes just like church flyer. Church flyer. So you have church flyer. Then you can set your dimension like you do on your Photoshop, like you can set in inches. I always make use of inches anyway. You can, maybe you are doing a one-on-one design that can be used on social media platform of your church. So now you have 5 inches by 5 inches. Then from there you can set your DPI at least minimum of 300, minimum of 300, and then from there you can say create. And as you can see, you have exactly what you always have on your Photoshop. Like if you want to design a Facebook cover, you want to design a Facebook event image, Facebook group headers, and other things like that. And you have for print, for photo, for screen, for mobile, and advert. So what are we saying here now? This is exactly what I am doing, which is I want to create a flyer which is 5 by 5, which is 5 by 5. So what do we do? After that, once you have set your size, you click on create, and then you wait for it to load up. You wait for it to load up. As you can see, boom, you have the screen already in front of you. So now, as you can see, you have your canvas already in front of you, and then from there you can start designing your flyer. You can start bringing in your image like you always do on Photoshop. You can place in your image. You can do all sort of things on this platform as you always do on your Photoshop. So now, you let me just make use of. I want to open a ready-made template or that I have already on my system. So I'm going to go to my system now, and I'm going to click uh, on this template that I have already on my system. So it's loading up, and then from there I can start whatever I want to start editing. So I'm waiting for it to load up. Boom. As you can see, it has loaded up the template of this flyer that I have. I have a 4x6 template here that I have designed earlier on my system. I have designed this flyer with Photoshop. And as you can see now, I am able to open it with Photopea right from my browser here. So you can open a ready-made template, maybe you download from FreePic and many other platforms like that, and bring it up here and edit it and export it and then send to your client, even while you are not with your PC. So now, as you can see now, I have my text here, as you can see, as easy as it is on Photoshop. So you can see what I have here. Now I want to edit this text. I'm going to come to this letter T, as it's always be on Photoshop on your system as well. And then from there, you can start editing it. Like, let me add something to it now. As you can you see that I can edit it from this platform here, and then do all my design and then export it and send it out to my client. So without wasting much of your time looking for a very among us money to get a system before you can start your graphic design journey, you can start using Photopea as a replacement of Photoshop or CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator by coming to this platform and then start designing your your flyer, your graphics, and everything you want to design. Even you, this is a better replacement for Canva. Is a better replacement for Canva. So everything you need to have is already on this platform. As you can see now, let me export this job that I have done. You can save as PSD, and then you can save export as JPEG. As you can see, you can export as JPEG. Let me export as JPEG now. Let me export as JPEG. So I click on export as JPEG, and it will load up on my screen now. So it's, let me just wait for a little bit time. So as you can see now, it's telling me the quality of how I want it to look like, the format I want to export it from. Then I am picking JPEG, and then from there I can say save. So once I click on save, it's going to come up. Boom. Can you see it's already downloading on my PC now? Can you see I have it currently now? Let me open it and let's check if it export the project very well. So I'm waiting for it to load up on my system. Let me just change the view. Let me change the view so that I can see what's going on there. As you can see, boom. Can you see that it exports and it's giving me a high quality of 2.2 megabytes? As you can see, this is awesome. There's nothing you need to do your graphic design now. If you don't have your PC, you don't have money to buy PC, there's no excuse for you not to become a graphic designer or a freelance graphic designer. So far, you can come to this platform. It is free. There's no paid plan. It is not paid plan. There's nothing like paid plan. How what you do, you can just do it here and save it and then export it to your phone and send it to your client anywhere they are all over the world, and you start making your dollars, you start making your money, you start making big money as a graphic designer. As you can see on this flyer now, I made $100 for this one flyer, doing it for this company in Florida, Miami. So what else do you want to have? Just come to this uh, platform, which is Photopea. I will be dropping the link in the description below, and then start making cool money. Start making cool money as a graphic designer. If this video has helped you in any way, please kindly subscribe to my channel, subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment on this video, so that the YouTube algorithm is going to take this video as far as many others that need to hear or to know this platform. Please kindly click on the subscribe button now, and then you are going to be receiving updates and on the notification bell, so that you can be receiving updates of everything I am doing on this channel every day. Thank you, and have a nice evening.
So as you can see, as simple as it is like that, that is how to uh, start making design with your browser, and then you start dishing out good graphics. As you can see, you have tons and thousands of templates on this platform. You have tons and thousands of templates on this platform. So as you can see, you can create logos, you can create mockup, you can create as many as you want to create. You can create for YouTube, you can create YouTube thumbnail. You have so many things to do with this platform. You can create Facebook cover design, you have templates for it, and then many things like that. You can create mockups, you can create business card, and then you export it and go and print it out. Take a look at this now. As you can see, I have it here now. As you can see, this is the template. I click on it and it is loading up already. It is loading up already. And then as you can see, boom, this is what we have. From here, as you can see, it is like you are using Photoshop right from your browser. After you have edit all these templates, you have put your own logo, you can place your own image. When you want to import image, you click on file. When you click on file, you come to open and place, then you put in your logo. Then when you put in your logo or anything you want to place, image, background, anything, then you can edit this text by coming to this place here, and then you can select all and say uh John Doe. As you can see, web developer, and then you come here, you edit all things you want to do, you maneuver it, and then after you are done, you can come ahead and export it out as JPEG, and that is all. You start making your cool money, you start making your dollars, you start making it, do it for clients all around the world, and collect good money as a graphic designer. So if you are scared of having so many total money, like to go and buy a laptop of 300, 400,000 or $500, $300, this is an app for you that you can use your phone browser to do all these things, and then you can export it, take it to printing press, print it out, and then if you are doing it as a remote worker, you can just design it and send it to the company that owns the job, and then you collect your money without even them knowing that this is what you use. So if you have any graphics you want to do now, come straight to photopea.com. The description is on for this the link is on the description below. Then you can check it, click on it, and then you start. It is free, no paid plan, nothing like that. It is free of charge. So if you have any question, or you think you want to explore more, and maybe you are not getting it through, you can drop your comment right below, and then I'm going to give an answer to your question immediately or after this live show. So if this video has helped you, please kindly click on the like button, and then please comment, and then let YouTube send this all across to people that has issue of creating designs, and then they can also be a beneficiary of what you have benefit from this evening. So as you can see, we have as so many things that you can do on this platform. We have as so many things that you can do on this platform. Now I'm coming in, I want to check another template just to show you how this thing is helpful to you. These are for people that always do mock-ups and others like that. Animations, as you see, there's template for animations. If you want to do logo animation, you want to do so many animations like that, this platform is here. This is YouTube outro. If you want to do YouTube outro, if you are to do memes, you can come here. You see so many memes. Can you see? We have so many memes here. Then you are to do YouTube, anything containing YouTube. This is YouTube thumbnail, and then you can scroll down, you see as many as thousands of YouTube thumbnail that you can create here. So please don't put it in your mind that you cannot create graphics without having Photoshop, having CorelDRAW, or having a big PC like you have a desktop computer or a laptop that you can use to do graphic design. As a graphic designer now, you can do it anywhere you find yourself on the go, and then you deliver to your client anytime, any day, and all over the world. As you can see, we have Instagram. You can see so many. Look at it, look at it, as turning as many that you can have here, and then within couple of minutes you are done with the design, and then you can send to your client for review, and then they make payment to you. So please go to the description of this video, you see the link there, and then start for free. Thank you. I will see you in the next other video.